finally, it's all systems go for the highly anticipated JFF presidential elections. Second time around, Sunday, March 17th, Mike Ricketts or Raymond Anderson. Who will be the last man standing? And this latest green light came about after Beach Soccer's attempt at getting the injunction to stop the election again reinstated. The court, in its wisdom or lack thereof, threw out the matter. So now Ricketts and Anderson can get their heavyweight bout on the way. And speaking of which, we understand that things are getting pretty aggressive and hostile in the trenches as both the Ricketts and Anderson camps fight for the ultimate control of the nation's football. Can I tell you though, I can't wait to get this thing over and done so the fraternity can fully concentrate on matters of actual football again. For me, whether Raymond Ricketts or Michael Anderson win, it no matter. The truth be told, both Mike Anderson and Raymond Ricketts have been part of local football forever. So pick your choice, Raymond Ricketts or Michael Anderson. Which one of them? Which?